Welcome back to another video with teacher Satya, guys. Now in this video you guys will be learning on how to find the area that involves trapezoids in these two questions. All right, now let's get to it. So let's start off by writing the formula down. So area of a trapezoid is equal to the sum of the parallel sides, so let me call it b1 plus b2 multiplied by its height and all of it divided by 2. Alright guys, so in this question we see that the parallel sides are 13 centimeter and 8 centimeter, right? So let's substitute that. So we have 13 cm plus 8 cm multiplied with the height, which is also 8 cm, and all of it divided by 2. Alright guys, now if we take a look at it here, we see that 2 and 8 can simplify because they are multiplying, right? So 2 will change to 1 and 8 will change to 4. So what do we have here, guys? 13 plus 8 is 21 cm multiplied with 4 cm, which is equal to 84 centimeter square. It's easy, isn't it, guys? And that's how we find the area of trapezoid. Now let's go to question number 2. Now in question number 2, guys, they're telling us to calculate the shaded area of the shape. So first of all, let's write down how can we find it. So the area of the shaded part will be the area of the rectangle, right? So the rectangle minus the area of the trapezoid, right guys? So if we take the area of rectangle minus the area of the trapezoid, we would get the area of the shaded part. Now let's go ahead and find the area of rectangle. So the rectangle is length multiplied by width, right guys? So we have, what do we have? 12 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter, which is 96 centimeter square. All right, so we have found the area of the rectangle. Now let's go for the area of the trapezoid. Again guys, let's start with the formula. So b1 plus b2 multiplied by height over 2, right guys? And the parallel sides here are 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, right? Multiplied by the height, which is also 5 centimeter over 2. Now, unlike the previous question, guys, here 2 and 5 cannot simplify to make it maybe more complicated with decimals. So let us add it up first. So we have 8 centimeter multiplied with 5 centimeter over 2. 8 times 5 is equal to 40 centimeter square over 2, which is equal to 20 centimeter square, right guys? Which is equal to 20 centimeter square. Now let's substitute it here. So we have found everything that we need to know. So the area of the rectangle is 96 centimeter square minus the trapezoid, which is 20 centimeter square. Therefore the area of the shaded part is 76 centimeter square. Alright guys, and that is how we would find the area of trapezoid and calculate the shaded area that involves trapeziums, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. Now if you did, do not forget to hit on that like button, guys, and comment below if you want me to do any specific video on any topic. Alright, now until next time guys, have a nice day.